Yeah, that plane just landed, but it probably is a multi-engine aircraft. Well, I totally lost track of it, but it is a plane that just landed. So, alright, hope you enjoyed the theme song. Welcome to Season 2. Guys, we're probably not going to have a big episode 1 because something is sounding down there. Guys, it looks like a storm is well on its way, so I don't know how this first plane spotting video is going to be very short, but there is a multi-engine aircraft down there. You guys cannot see it. Here, you know what? We may be able to see it here. I got to hurry and take my flight lesson. Alright guys, here we go. I'm going to zoom in and I'll be quiet. It's going to take off here. Long runway. It's probably already... Here it goes, guys. Here it goes. And that plane is going to be airborne. There it is. So, guys, I'm going to go to my car and I'm actually going to go. I have a flight simulator. Shoot. So that's it. I keep hearing like there's a plane somewhere nearby. But it is a multi-engine aircraft though. Alright, well I do have a... Look at that cloud. Oh my goodness. That doesn't look like a very friendly cloud. But I gotta go to my backpack in my car and I've gotta go get my stuff that I need for my flight school today. Probably chances are we're not gonna do an actual flight because I see storms are approaching. That's according to this. Whoops, and the camera was on this phone. Let me zoom. So I'm gonna try after my flight training to get some more aircraft for you, but I can't promise you guys because it's just a very stormy weather. Oh, but there is something in the J Air Center side though. I hear some engine. You know, maybe we can take a picture and videotape that, so we'll be right back when we get closer. Alright guys, we have almost arrived at the J Air Center side right now. The plane is getting ready to leave. My car is actually parked right next to my school, so I'm not worried. I'm sure they'll understand that I want to get this plane. It's a multi-engine aircraft. That's what it sounds like. Because some aircraft are taking off, so I don't know if we are or not, though. We could just assume. Okay, I gotta get going. What aircraft is that? What aircraft? Alright, here we go, guys. I think it's gonna start to go. Oh, it's a... Oh. Wake up, iPhone. Crap. Here we go. There's another big plane coming? Are you kidding me? Alright guys, we're gonna have to get going because I have a flight training to go to. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go get my stuff because I've got flight training and I just wasted. Well, I didn't waste any time. I thought it was more than 3. But let me go to my car. I'm gonna grab my stuff and I'm hoping that there's more planes out after my flight. I'll let you guys know how it went. So that's it for now. And then we got a Learjet that has just arrived. There it is. A Learjet. That's a Learjet, guys. So there we go. That is a NA-23, I think, CA. It's a Learjet, not an NA-26CA. And yeah, that's about it. So we'll be right back.